we are pleased to invite you to our annual Sounds of the Season dinner concert. Come enjoy a lovely evening featuring wonderful food, festive decorations, and beautiful music performed by GCA's music department. You can purchase individual tickets or host an entire table. This event is a perfect way to celebrate the Christmas season with family and friends. If you're interested in attending, you'll want to register as soon as possible because the dinner concert has sold out the last few years. We hope to see you there. Thank you for your support.